This is an adjustable kickstand here that I have. It's 2 pieces and it comes with a set screw. Need to remove this spring here. I'm just using the spring puller. There we go. We're going to go with the lowest setting here. Like that. This together here. I'm actually going to add a little bit of thread locker here. I'm using a 12mm wrench right here. You don't have to really put anything on that nut at all. So you have your bolt and then a washer, and then this slides just right out. I put a little bit of grease right here on the top of the kickstand. And then all we have to do now is just insert this. You want to make sure that you cycle it forward a little bit just to make sure that everything is working properly. Insert this bolt and the washer. If you look right here, this is where the spring is going to attach to the motorcycle, and you're actually going to attach it like this here. Okay, we have the spring already attached to the motorcycle here, and we're going to just put this on the kickstand. Pull that down. Now this part right here is removable on this kickstand, and I'm going to add a little bit of just red thread locker to that. I don't want that piece going anywhere at all. Clean that up. Thanks for watching.